Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be studying Korean alphabets. This is my first time studying them, but I do have to review from the beginning because I'm not confident in them, so we'll start from the beginning. Okay, so the first thing I could show you is one of the papers that we got from the course that I had for 1 week here. And this one's really nice. I've done some already, and there's explanations in Finnish of the history of the language, which is very cool and very important. And then here we go. And then there's also some words already that we've gone through. As you can see, I just didn't finish all of them. Here, this one either. About some diphthongs. In my opinion, when learning new languages, you should be able to make mistakes and not know everything and maybe pronounce things wrongly, because then you'll be able to learn better from those mistakes. Here is the 2 books that our school library provides for learning Korean. I didn't use this book today, but the next time I'll be using this one. And let's get on with today's lesson.
잘하셨어요. 이제 이 6개
I don't know which one this is. Is it bedroom or room or something? So I'll go here. Okay. Furniture. Ta-da! Furniture. Listening practice. Let's see if I learned anything. I've been going for 20 minutes, but I'm still going to have a break even though it's been only 20 minutes. It's great that there's the culture section as well at the end, so it's not all about the alphabets, it's also about the culture of the country. And I want wanted to get this part 1 done today, and tomorrow I'll start on the part 2 because this took me like 5 hours. I don't know, I wanted to really learn these. I don't think it was 5 hours, but like a really long time. I can show you before I go to bed. I was thinking of showing you tomorrow, but anyways, I'll show you what I got done today. Pretty well, all of the vowels, oh my god, anyways, and consonants. Okay, day 2. It's 5 in the evening. But let's see, this video this time is... Wait, can you see it? Anyways, it's 45 minutes. So let's see how long it takes me, because I'm going to be pausing it every 5 seconds. And I'm thinking if we're going to go to the harder ones this time, because like these diphthongs and everything. Because yesterday we went through these basics. Here I wrote this one, that one, hue, and it's like fish, I think. But then when I put it into this translator, you can see hue, it should be there. But oh, okay. I was super confused. The more you know.
마지막으로 한국 문화입니다. 오늘은 한국의 상징에 대해 알아보겠습니다. 한국을 상징하는 것에는 무엇이 있을까요? 한번 알아보도록.
Okay, this time it took me 2 hours. It's 7 o'clock right now, and yeah. Something I should also mention that I do use Duolingo sometimes, and from my alphabet course I have the recordings of how everything is pronounced. So sometimes if I feel like when doing Duolingo I don't get the full effect, or I really don't, I'm not sure of how they're pronouncing it, I go to the recordings. I'm glad you're here with me doing this long journey, because it's going to be very rough to be learning this, but I think it'll be fun for myself as well, to be challenging to record these things, because then I know how I evolve. But as I said yesterday, I don't know how much I want to put on the internet, because I don't know, if I mispronounce things then it'll be very awkward. So yeah, but I'm thinking next time that we'll have a Korean class, I'll go through my teacher's notes that we had and fill these up so that there is nothing empty here, and then I'll go through the exercises that she gave us like 3 months ago that I didn't finish, so it's good to go through them. And then I could start with the book from our library, so there's some good things there. So I think with the book we'll get some sentences in and everything, so I would get some of these basics in along with, or with the alphabets. Along with the alphabets we would get some phrases as well, and not just, because I had the one video where I speak and try to know some of the phrases, and I think it is easy to catch up some of those with just hearing. So someone says 안녕하세요, so but I would like to know more if people pronounce them differently, so I would know how they write them. So thank you so much for watching.